Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is an easy eggless sprinkle cookies. They are colorful, they are chewy, and they are crispy on the outside. Super easy to make, sweet and delicious cookies. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, I have taken 100 grams of unsalted butter. Now using an electric whisk, I am going to cream the butter until it is light and fluffy. Make sure that the butter that you use is softened to room temperature so that the creaming process becomes a lot more easier. Now I am going to add half cup of caster sugar. Now let's quickly cream the butter and sugar until they are well combined. Sugar butter mixture looks super creamy, so let's stop the whisk and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 cup of room temperature milk. Now I'm going to use the same electric whisk to whisk everything together until they are well combined. You can use hand whisk or a spatula as well. Now I'm going to use a spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl and add salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1.5 cup of regular flour. I'm just going to use half of the regular flour now and mix everything together, and then I'm going to add the rest half. Okay, so now let's add the rest half of the flour. Now mix well to form a cookie dough. So the consistency of the dough will be a bit loose, but do not worry, we will be refrigerating the dough before baking the cookie. So the consistency is not a matter. Alright, so our cookie dough is ready. So now comes the fun part, that it's adding our sprinkles. So I am adding half cup of sprinkles. Now using a spatula, let's gently mix in the sprinkles. Make sure that the sprinkles are well distributed in the cookie dough. Alright, so our cookie dough is ready. So now I'm going to use some plastic wrap and cover the bowl and let the cookie dough chill in refrigerator for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. So in the meantime, I've taken a baking tray with silicone baking sheet. If you do not have silicone baking sheet, replace the baking sheet with normal baking paper and butter. Okay, so our cookie dough was in refrigerator for about 45 minutes. So now using a tablespoon, I'm going to take about a heaping tablespoon of the cookie dough, and using my hands, I'm just going to quickly roll the cookie dough to make sure that my cookies bake nice and round in shape. And I'm going to place the cookie dough onto the baking tray. So I'm just going to repeat the process and place the cookie dough onto the baking tray. Just make sure that you leave enough space between the cookie dough because the cookies will spread out while baking. Alright, so let's bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until golden on the side. Alright, so our cookies are ready. They are just out of the oven. So just make sure that the cookies will be super soft when they are out of the oven. So let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes before moving the cookies onto a cooling rack. And our cookies are done. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys again with another scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.